How to S-rank Chef Saltbaker in Cuphead. First off, you definitely want to use the crack shot, because on the first phase, you can focus on dodging instead of attacking. And another thing, use Chalice's dodge roll. Here you want to use the roundabout, because it should roundabout to the other ones at the bottom. Then use the crack shot for the top. This phase is literally the easiest phase. In this phase, finally, just use the crack shot to dodge, and if he gets in your way, parry him.
A few moments later.